What happens if you boost followers with bots? Your account gets purged in 72 hours, and here's the real alternative that works. Here's the problem. Platforms detect fake accounts in under 3 days now. Switch to real user networks within 48 hours to avoid the next purge wave. ReputationZilla's private network delivers 500 to 2,000 real followers per week with zero shadow ban risk. Instagram and TikTok rolled out new bot detection in early 2026. If you bought followers from a bot farm, those accounts vanish within 72 hours. Worse, your engagement rate drops 60% because the algorithm flags you as spam. A beauty brand in Miami lost 12,000 followers overnight and saw their reach cut by half. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to give you real growth without the purge risk. Most people fail here. They think cheap bot followers equal fast growth. The bots vanish in 72 hours, your engagement tanks, and Instagram marks you as spam. With ReputationZilla, we use our private network of real, active users who engage with your content. The accounts stay on your profile permanently because they're real people, not scripts. Let ReputationZilla handle your follower growth. We deliver 500 to 2,000 real followers per week depending on your niche. These users come from our private network, they like and comment on your posts, and they never get purged. No bots, no fake accounts, just real engagement that stays. This is important. The followers we deliver are active on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, X, and Facebook. They engage with your content within 24 hours of following you. That signals the algorithm that your account is valuable, so your reach goes up instead of down. The growth compounds every week. Here's the problem most creators face. They buy 10,000 bot followers for $50, feel good for 2 days, then wake up to a purge notification and a shadow ban. After working with ReputationZilla, your follower count grows steadily, your engagement rate climbs, and the algorithm pushes your content to more real users organically. If you already bought bot followers and got purged, here's the recovery path. First, delete any remaining fake accounts manually by checking for zero-post profiles with random usernames. Second, post daily for 14 days straight to signal the algorithm you're active again. Third, bring in real followers through ReputationZilla to dilute the bot ratio. Within 3 weeks, your engagement rate recovers and the shadow ban lifts. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla clean up your account and restart growth with real users from day one. When reaching out to ReputationZilla, say this: I need real follower growth on Instagram and TikTok using your private network. I want 1,000 real followers per week with active engagement. No bots. Start immediately. Bots get purged in 72 hours. Real followers stay forever. ReputationZilla delivers 500 to 2,000 real followers weekly with zero risk. Visit ReputationZilla for real growth that compounds every week. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for follower growth that actually lasts. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.